Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit Memoji on iPhone. So for you to be able to edit your Memoji, you have to click on the message app on your iPhone, then you click on any of the chat lists or any of the messages that you have in your messaging app. Then you're going to tap on this particular option, which is Memoji. This is what they call Memoji right here. You click on it. Once you click on it, then you're going to tap on this three dots button. Once you do that, then you click on edit. Then from here you can decide to edit your Memoji, so by simply creating a new one, because you can see create your own Memoji. So I'm just going to click on get started. So from here I can configure to anything that I want, starting from the air skin, the air, the skin. So right here I'm just going to click this particular skin. Okay, good. Oh, the brown one. So I get this is okay. Then I'm just going to click the air color. So I'm going for the air. So actually depends on you the way you want it. If you want the air up, there's no air. If it is the brown, if it is the eye, if it is the head, you can see. So I think I like this, which is then the nose. Then okay, I think I like this particular nose. Then the mouth. I think I like this particular mouth. Okay, let me use this vampire. Let me use this vampire. Let me use the air. Let me check the air. I think it's okay. The facial hair. I don't want that. So once it's done, those are through that, just click on done and look at it right here. Your Memoji is set for you to go, and that's it, how to edit Memoji on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.